Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to KhatEGulistan. Today I want to share the materials I use for my Arabic calligraphy. These tools help me bring each piece to life. So let's explore what's on my desk. So here I'll show you papers and sketchbooks. So this is A6 size sketchbook. You can see the texture of this paper is amazing. You can use it for your calligraphy artwork or any artworks. Then I'll show you pen set. For finer details, I use brushstroke pens. They offer great precision and come in different sizes. As you can see, the size of this pen is 2 mm, which makes them perfect for outlining and detailed calligraphy work. Let me show you the tip of this pen. Here you can see it's chiseled cut, which is very helpful for your calligraphy artwork. After that, these are my colored pencils. To add some color, I use Faber-Castell pencil colors. They blend well and give a vibrant look to my pieces, especially when I'm adding a creative twist to my calligraphy. This is a sketchbook. I also keep a sketchbook nearby where I practice strokes and try out new designs before moving on to the final piece. So this is my sketchbook. As I told you, I use a variety of papers and sketchbooks depending on the project. My go-to is the brushstroke sketchpad. For its smooth texture, for smaller pieces or practice, I love the A5 size spiral book, which is portable and great for on-the-go creativity.
Amazing!
Another favorite is the Tom's A4 sketchbook, offering more space for larger designs. You can see the brand Tom's, which is acid-free paper. Here you can check the price of this sketchbook. It's very affordable. Let me show you the texture of this paper. So here you can check the texture of this paper is very nice, very fine, which is perfect for your calligraphy. So here is my last favorite, Classmate A3 sketchbook, offering more space for larger designs, for larger calligraphies. So these are the materials that help me create my Arabic calligraphy art. They might be simple, but each tool plays a big role in bringing my vision to life. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about any of these tools. Allah Hafiz.